Hey guys! Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are going to be going over the exhaust setup I have on my NC Miata at the moment. It's not my ideal setup, but it is very fun for mountain driving and very short trips, in my opinion. Daily driving it is way too loud, and the drone is crazy. But like I said, it's fun for mountain driving when you're on and off the gas a lot, because it won't drive you nuts. So what we have is we have the stock header with the cat still in the header. We have a Mazda Speed mid pipe with the resonator removed, and then we have the ISR muffler delete. So it's pretty much a straight piped car other than the header with the stock cat in it. So I'm going to go ahead and play a clip of it idling, and I'm going to give you some revs so you can see kind of what it sounds like. What you're missing out, man. Miata's at the gap, 23. Alright, start recording.